Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Sero Colorado here in San Nicolas. This is the most eastern part of the island of Aruba, and I'm going to show you a hidden gem. Now before I continue this video, I will start by showing you how to get here.
First, you have to take the road that passes in front of the airport and continue towards the city of San Nicolas. Then continue to Sero Colorado, where you should see this anchor. Take a right here and head towards Baby Beach. If you're lucky, you may see some wild donkeys in this area. At the first intersection, make a left turn, and if everything is going right, there should be a small sign that says Sero Colorado, and you should start seeing the hill in the distance to your left.
Aruba still has a couple of natural bridges. Now the first one did fall down, did break apart in 2005, I think it was. Now I don't know if you guys noticed the previous shot. This is a lighthouse, or at least it functions like one, has a light up there, and being the easternmost point of the island, you can see like a probably a Coast Guard ship way back there, and if you take even a better look, you can see parts of Venezuela. There's certainly a hill right here. If I notice that this video you cannot see it very well, I'll show you with a photo. Now another interesting part of this is these round things. Now they were built, I don't know how many of them are, they're probably like 4 of them or so. Now being at a higher point of the island, right, during the Second World War, they used to help protect the oil refinery, which is back there. It's not operational right now. The government is trying to restart and have another company come back, and yeah, so more about this hidden gem. What it is really is a natural bridge. Now Aruba has a few. I think Aruba has like at least like 4 natural bridges that I can think of. To me, this is either the second nicest one, but probably one of the most difficult to find. And even locals often do not know how to get here. They know it's here, but they don't actually know how to get there. So I'm going to show you today and walk there with you.
After leaving the parking lot, it's fairly easy. Keep left and follow this path.
So guys, with the lighthouse, let's call it a lighthouse for the sake of it, you walk through the time lapse and you take a left, and you'll find this road now, or not road, a path obviously, and then just watch out when you're walking. Lots of rocks, but also cactus. You know, you can step on one of those, so come prepared. And yeah, and then just continue this path and you will find it right here. I'm pretty sure you can already see it, right? It's right here. I was obviously joking. You cannot see it from here. So if you stand here, right, you have the windmills over there, right? You cannot see it here. So you would think that this is just a cliff and that's all there is to it. Now be careful, because there, you know, it is a pretty high angle, and just walk slowly and voila, it's right there in front of you. That's the natural bridge that I'm gonna try to get to today. Now it's a little bit difficult going down, so I'm gonna look for the best part to get down here, hopefully. Now on this right side, it's certainly not the way to get down. I could, but I don't want to do that, so I'll go on the other side, on the left side now. So now guys, we were way up there. If you remember, I tried on the right side first, and then on the left side it didn't work, and then it was simply in the middle. Pretty simple, but the climb down is a little bit difficult. Now it's beautiful down here too. It's beautiful. I love these rocks, these patterns that they form naturally here, you know. I love it. And of course the main attraction, the hidden gem. I gotta watch where I'm walking. Don't want to fall down and look stupid on video, but it is the natural bridge. Whoa. Now people do go up there to take photos. I do not recommend it. Please don't do that. It will fall one day, just like the original natural bridge. So don't go walking up there. I'm afraid of heights, but it's not just because of that, but you can find yourself killed, and I can find myself splashed. Now it is a little bit dangerous down here. Don't even think about going too close to the water. You could you know, like this, you could get like a big wave, and you never know what can happen. So I have a lot of respect for the ocean, but I'm gonna try to get up here and get somewhat of an angle, a different angle for you guys. As you can see, it's beautiful from up there. You don't really see it, you don't really catch the beauty of it. And yeah, it's, let me see if I can get on that side, just a sec. Now you can see the water coming in from the ocean. Now the tide is usually very, very high on this side, so be careful guys, be really, really careful. Now these rocks are also very slippery for the most part, and these are different type of rocks. It's pretty interesting if you are into that. And I look stupid walking here because I'm afraid to fall down on these rocks. Now it is hot today. Gonna get a little bit closer for you guys, right? Because the GoPro has such a wide angle shot that you never know, might not be really nice from where I was standing. Look at the water. Fully clear, beautiful. Gonna try to step on this rock. Wow. And so as you can see, it's not gonna be forever. It's got some cracks on the top, it's got some cracks over there, so people do take a chance and take a photo up there, but I wouldn't recommend it at all. Beautiful. more or less, that's the hidden gem that I wanted to show you guys. A lot of the locals don't know how to get here. They know about the place, they really do, but they have no clue where it is. Or some of them do, they have heard that it's in Sero Colorado, but they don't know where to walk to find it, because they just don't. And the hill, because Sero in Papiamento means hill, so Colorado Hill or something. And I'm gonna start walking back up, but the hill is pretty, it's not large, obviously. Aruba's not too big, but it's got a lot of areas, and this is definitely the attraction to find here. A hidden gem. Mark it next time. I want to see you guys here taking some photos, and make sure you get here before it's not here anymore. It's a beautiful, beautiful place.
Guys, it has been a pleasure showing you this hidden gem of Aruba. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider hitting that like button so I am aware of subjects like these for future videos. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. See you in my next adventure. Bye bye guys.